Hello friends, today I am showing you how to trimming and effect on your personal videos. First of all, you have to open Adobe Premiere CC, click on new project, type your project name like VP, then enter. Wait for a second. You see this window will be open. This is your sequence timeline. This is your display screen. This is your source content. First of all, we have to go project VP, then double click. We have two types of steps to import your videos or some kind of your stuff media regarding the media. One is right click on it and import your project or some kind of your data. The second step is double click on it, select your video. Suppose I am selecting a kind of video like this one. Wait for a second. This is your video. After that, we have to make sequence for your videos, like your resolution according to your video. So first of all, we have to click on that, select and right click on it. The list will be open on your screen. Click on new sequence from clip. Instead of, you can see in the right box they are adding a video and audio. You can select on like this. After that, click on delete button. Window is deleted. You can see there is a timeline for your adding videos. Okay, so then we have to add some clips like your according to your time to time. First we have to add video which you want to clipping. Select your video. Instead of drag to source, click and drag it. Play your video. Choose your starting point, with the help of forward left keys, forward for right keys and backward for left keys. Select your and starting edge. For clicking I button is used for starting point. When you start, like this is my start point, and click on I button of your keyboard. You can see this is a starting point added on your video. Instead of, and choose your ending point, backward for your second frame, this is last frame. Okay, for your ending point, click on your keyboard O button, O for orange. Click on O button. You can see it is selected. After that, you can add this type of button, drag video only. If you want to add sound for this particular timing, so click on drag audio or some kind of video. So now I am adding video only. To drag it on timeline screen, add to this layer. This is your first layer, this is your second, this is your third. It is step by step, one layer. Okay, this is your video. Okay, then adding some new clip. After that, we want to click like I want to add this this clip, like it start on this. Press I button for starting point and press O for ending point and click. You can see there is no gap from my video, so be careful it. Then this is my two adding clip. You can add more video clip like I adding some kind of new video, suppose like this video. I click and drag it there. After that, like we can adding this video, click on starting point. I start to start, click on it, then choose your ending point, like that. Okay, click on your video like that. Okay, this is my final video. So you want to make a black and white video on your original clip, so click on this type of icon. It's called new item. Click on it and your list will be open on your screen. Click on color matter and then okay, choose your color. I use for black and white for black color. Okay, and then name your color. I write BW for black and white, it's shortcut name. Or add to your second layer, which is this is one layer, this is second layer. Second layer is on the first layer, and I want to add my on first layer, first clip only. So select one, then go to your this style and click the control effect control. Select your video control effect. Instead of go to FX opacity, click on this and triangle button, then go to blend mode. You can see this is selected by normal. Click on drop down list, then click on hue. You can see your video will be converted into black and white video. Okay, then you want to add effect like from enter your video. Like I want to enter my video, so click on your video from starting point like this and type Control D for your cross. Okay, then same type of your second layer, Control D. Okay, after that you add this clip to this clip, adding effect. So go to your effects and type effects. Its name dip, dip, and choose your dip. This is two type of dips, dip to black and dip to white. I mostly use dip to black. It is very useful nowadays. So click and drag to their edges, which is connected by ending and starting word. I click on it. Okay, so then after that I click this video to Control D, and last one also Control D. Okay, this is final. So you can see there is a red lining on your video, so we can convert into green. Okay, let's start with the help of enter button. Enter your keyboard button, and this is rendering process will be start in your processing. After completed it works smoothly like this. Okay, so now I want to add some kind of music in its background. So double click on it and choose a music. I choose a music like oh sorry, this is the wrong item. I choose music. I have some kind of looping background music, so I choose it like this one, and also it is add on this. Choose a starting point. I want to start to okay, then click and drag on their list, which is start from A1. This is your which is start from A1. This is your audio options, which is we want to start. This is your video. You can add only audio files on this side, and also or add video files on this side. So let's start. Click on last point and drag to extend it like this kind of I think this is okay. So now I play a video like. You can also increase your screen with the help of moving your cursor on this screen and press button which is between escape or tab button. Click on it and you can see your window will be extended size. So press on your spacebar button for playing your video like this. This is your video. Okay, then after you want to reduce their size, click this button which is between escape or tab, and this is your final video. If you want to reverse or speed duration, fast or smooth or slow, so this tool is very helpful for this kind of process, which is called as rate stress tool. This is shortcut for shortcut is R. Click then and select your video clip which you want to you make fast or make slow. I think I want to slow video, so I click. There is no visible to, so we can press plus button, numeric plus button for your increase clip. Like I press plus button like which is situated nearby backspace. Click on it like this. This is helpful. This is your scroll bar. You can also scrolling your clip with the help of it like this. Then we click on you can see this is I click on last, and if you want to make slow speed duration video, so click on last and drag to forward side. If you want to slow, to drag to this one, and if you want to make a fast video, so drag to backward like this. I am show you like this. This is your fast video. Okay, and if you want to make faster, so you have to click like this type. Okay, and I can show you a slow video like this. You can see it is very slow speed. also. If you want to your video speed reverse, so click your video, right click on it and select your speed duration, click on it and click your checkbox which is right or reverse speed, click on it like this and press OK button and play. After you can see it's working on reverse slow speed like this. This is reversing slow speed. Okay, so you can see there is a red line, so we want to convert into a green, so click enter for rendering. And you can also add your logo button on your video, you can see this is my logo. We can also place the logo in any position in your video, place into your top layer on your video, select on it, then double click on your logo and add your position and scroll down for your showing your video which you placed like this and click on button, select and dragging your I want to add there like okay, then click on it, escape. Your logo also add on the last point of your video like there, then they also want render with the red, so we also convert it into green. This is rendering process. Instead of we want to make format, so go to file, choose your export option, go to media, select your format. I want to select window media format, then choose your options. This HD 24 frame, HD 25 frame, HD 29.97 frame. This is 2759.9 frame. Oh, this is 1080 to 24 frame. This is 1080 25 frame. I choose this frame. Okay, then click on export button. He says there as do you want to yes, because I already make this file which is he says there already, so I can replace it. Wait for time. This is your finalizing process. This is your simple way making video. So friends, thanks for watching. You can see your video in your documents, which is folder, adobe folder. Click on it and this is your video. If you want to see, best option is used for window media player. Click on it. You can see a magic of full HD. Okay, fine. ਲੈ ਵੀ 6 MB ਦੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਓਏ, ਲਵੀ ਆ ਸਹੀ ਹੋ ਇਦਾਂ ਬਣਾਈ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਓਏ।
ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖ ਲੂੰਗਾ,
ਇੱਕ ਮਿੰਟ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੇਖ ਤਾਂ ਸਹੀ।
मैं देख लूंगा।